Hello, my name is Tiffany, and if this is your first time stopping by, hi, you're welcome. Yeah, we're just getting into it.
That's what I'm here for. I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply.
How have you guys been doing? Like, what's up? Honestly, lately, YouTube has just been kind of all over the place for me. Yeah, make your noise. Just make your noise. I like how you guys just make your noise. But anyways, YouTube has been kind of crazy for me because, to be quite honest with you guys, I feel like I don't know which direction I'm going with my YouTube channel, and I know that I'm not supposed to be saying that I don't know which direction, but like I don't know what the the YouTube population wants, and like you guys, I don't know what you guys are expecting, because these days YouTube has changed from what it used to be. Like when I started watching YouTube, it wasn't like this. Like now everything is evolving. People have producers, people have managers, people have like huge like team behind them. Back then when I used to like watch YouTube channels and like YouTubers in the past, they don't even care. They just like, your editing has to be like professional and all this kind of stuff, and it's just completely weird for me because I feel like I'm just starting and I'm like struggling. Honestly, I am struggling because, like I said, it's not what it used to be. So now I'm gonna be going in with my eyebrows. So guys, I have primed. If you watch my previous tutorial, you would know what primer I use, but for the sake of those that are just joining us for the first time, I'm using a Beauty Treat Perfecting Primer. But back to what I was saying, guys. With the whole production, like people having a huge production team behind them, like concerning their YouTube and all this kind of stuff, I don't have anything against it. Honestly, I would love to have a production team behind me, and I know I'm just starting and I'm saying all this, but to be honest, it's quite a lot of work if you ask me. Like sometimes editing is just not easy. Like to edit a video is something else. Sometimes it takes me like a whole entire week to edit a video, and I try to like get like the best videos out there for you guys. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, what I basically do is take my setting powder and I just kind of just like use it to set my eyebrows, honestly, and set my face basically. I do this because I kind of have oily skin, and I tend to sweat like in these areas, like right here and like right here and all these kind of places. So what I do is take my setting powder from Sacha Buttercup, and I just use it to set those areas. And honestly, it just prevents the waxy feeling from here, because it tends to get waxy here and here tends to get oily. So what I basically do is just use this, and yeah.
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello.
Yeah, that's basically all I have to say for now, because like I feel like I'm rambling, and I don't know if I'm making sense. Most times I just talk and I'm like, sis, are you making any sense? But yeah, I try my best to make some sense once in a while. But yeah, guys, yeah, I'm running low on foundation, and your girl hasn't gone out to get foundation as yet, so we're just gonna work with what we have until we're able to, get some. That's what she said.
If I could take you up in paradise like yours, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello.
Now that I'm done with my foundation, I think I'm gonna go into the eye look, and this is the main part. Basically, like I said earlier, we're kind of just winging this video, so let's see where it takes us. But I'm hoping it takes us really well. But if it doesn't go well, guys, I mean, I'm hoping it goes well, but yeah. Basically, this video is like a tutorial plus advice, you know, just like a chit chat. Basically, like, get ready with me, although I'm not going anywhere after this. Honestly, I just want to say, I want to state actually that if you want to start a makeup channel, not makeup, why do I keep mentioning makeup in everything I say? If you want to start a channel, I think you should go for it. If you're in it for the good intentions, then you should go for it. I've always been scared of starting YouTube. Basically, I've always just been scared, because I'm one of those people that care about, I used to care about what people think about me, and I would want them to, like, you know, I wanted to do it. And then one time, my friend and I, Debbie, shout out to you, she has a YouTube channel as well, but I don't care about what anyone has to say or what people might think about you, because people will always have opinions. Okay, so I've used this brown shade right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, this one right here. I used that for my transition color, and then now I'm going to be going with my yellow, this yellow right here. Okay, it's really hard to work with this, but I'm going to be going with this yellow right here. This yellow right there. I hope you guys can see. It doesn't have a name, or probably it does, I don't know. Yes. Yes, so, yeah, basically that's it. That's all I have to say. I feel like I've given my own 2 points.
Take you up in paradise like yours, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like yours, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom, shaboom, shaboom.
So I'm going to be taking this, and I'm just going to be using it on top of the yellow that I just packed on my eyelid. I have to go out like right now. Yeah, guys, I think I might just have to go where I'm going looking like this, and then I'm gonna have to come back to continue where I stopped, because I have to go pick up my little sister from school. She closes like in like 2 minutes. I would be back in like 1 second to you guys, but like to me it's like a whole entire hour. But yeah, that's what's up. Life of a big sister, you know what I mean. Hey yo, I'm back. I'm gonna be taking my eye primer. Actually, it's from Ambrosia. I don't know if you guys know this brand, but you could use basically any white eyeshadow primer you have.
And the tones the beat lord.
I use my Sacha buttercup to set my high point. Okay, I use that to set my high point, and then after that I blended it in, or blush. Honestly, I forgot the name of the blush, but I'm gonna link everything in the description box. Use my blush to blush my face, and then I went in with my high quality finishing powder. I honestly forget the name of everything, but they'll definitely be in the link, like I said. And I used that to set my face, that powder to set my face. Then I went in with my highlighter.
The Bit Lord.
Now I'm gonna pop in some lashes, do my lashes and my lips off. Actually, I'm gonna come and do my lips on camera, but I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. Ain't that just great? But yes, I'm gonna pop my lashes in real quick and I'll be back. Just hang in there. Just hang in there. Okay. Go in with my LA Color Matte liquid lipstick. This one right here, it's in this shade Perception. I hope you guys. Alright guys, so this is the end of the look, but I got one more thing for you guys. I gotta slay up, so one second. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed recording this video for you. Honestly, I loved every bit of it, to be quite honest. Yes guys, this is the end of the look. I really tried my best. I don't know how well I did, I don't know how bad I did, but I really tried my best with this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said earlier on in the beginning of this video, if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you even doing? Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Please share this video with your friends, everybody, and leave a comment in the comment section below. You can also leave all of your ideas in the comment section below. Any idea, any video like you'd like to see from me, let me know. But yeah guys, and all the products I use will be in the description bar below as well. You can also follow me on my social media. You're free, it's free, it's fun, it's a good time, it's a good time. Please be sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram, Snapchat. Yeah I just kind of just spaced out, but yes guys, that is the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Money coupe.